What if genetics didn't follow the rules we think it does? This father and son duo is a perfect example. The father stands at just 1.5 meters tall. But his son? He grew to an incredible 2 meters. Same family. Same bloodline. Completely different results. Scientists say height is influenced by genetics, but not controlled by it alone. Nutrition, environment, health, and random genetic variation all play a role. That's why even close relatives can look drastically different. This simple comparison reminds us that biology isn't a formula you can predict perfectly. Sometimes, nature breaks its own expectations. Stay curious. The world hides more than it reveals.